Hi, it's Tony from Wild Spider Designs, and today we're going to look at how to die cut using sticky roll. As you can see, the first thing we need to do is cut out the correct size of card or paper for our dies. However, if you're covering a whole sheet of the same colour, then you don't need to do this step. But we're going to use lots of different colours today. And we simply take out our roll and place our pieces of card straight down onto the roll itself. Once we've done this, we simply cut around each piece of card or paper with a knife or a pair of scissors. If you do use a pair of scissors to cut out the piece of card, simply cut around just on the inside of the card, and this will make sure that you don't get your scissors stuck to the sticky roll. It's fine if you do get your scissors stuck to the sticky roll, but life is far too short to be cleaning sticky roll off scissors. Now we need to place our dies down on our cutting mats. Because we're going to be sticking these shapes down, the sticky roll is going to be on the back of the pieces of card. Now the card that I've used here is 180 GSM, and I've used 4 different brands of die, but the results will vary as each brand has different cutting edge depths. But they should come out very nicely, as you can see. And now all we have to do is take off the backing paper. To lift the liner, either a craft knife or a pin will do the job nicely. And what you need to do is find a nice area on your die and just nick at it, like so. You might need to do it in a couple of places to get a good start, and then peel the liner away gently. And there we have our beautifully cut die cut shapes, which are now self-adhesive and ready to be stuck down mess free and easily.